Hello, everybody. Today I would like to introduce you to do the prep number 10. In the prep number 10, we have modified some things from the prep number 10 that um, you can see by this. Okay, this dimension and modified to 20 plus x, 20 plus x, and 20 plus y. When the x, y are the last two digits of your student ID by this example. Um, for the project number 10, we're gonna construct the orthographics of these isometric drawings by AutoCAD, and we draw the topic A, draw a third angle orthographic position with scale 1 and dimensions. B, draw the full section by using cutting plane. Cut the object from top view through the center of the circle with scale 1:1. And we know that length of cylindrical part at the bottom is 30 millimeter. That means this cylindrical. Alright. So first of all, before we draw the third angle orthographics, I would like to discuss about how to choose the view. So by these objects, maybe we choose this way to be a front view, and sure, this way is the top view, and this way is the right side view and the left side view. So we have front view, top view for orthographics, and the last one you can choose right side view or the left side views. At this time of this script video, I will choose left side view, top view, and the front view. Um, for the XY, for this only this script video, I choose my X is 3, Y is 5. All right, have 3 and 5. Please remember. And can modify here to be 23, and 25. Alright, so please see your ID student before you do. Okay, so if you are to sketch this front view, it could be like this. Right, first we show by visible line first. From the front view, you can project the line to the side view and to the top view. This projection line, we will draw the projection line in the AutoCAD, okay, to construct all of the projection line first. After that, we can see the detail and put the visible line by this. If this line is the starting point of the top view, and do this line for the starting point of the left side view. So here is the intersect. From it is intersect, we can draw 45 degree. So you know this way well, because um, we do it every time for this lecture. And then, for example, if you finish the front view, after that you do the top view, you can um, draw this position for this thickness. Okay, and after that you can project this to finding the thickness of the side view. um, and after that, for this circle, you may have the circle that you can find the top view. So finding the center first, so this way the position will stop here first and then here. So the center is here, so it could be like this. So after that you can project to the front view. Okay, it's gonna be the dashed line on the front view, and you can project this to the top view to make the cylindrical under this, and it could be shown by dashed line like this, and continue these circles to the side view. So you can project it down there like um, this way, where the dash cuts this line. You can project it to side view like this. Alright, and then this way as well, this circle, small circle, you can project it to this and this. After that, you can put the detail. Alright, and this circle, maybe you can find the center of this circle by this, and this look like this, and you can project to the front and to the top as well. So we will continue this one. Okay, after the maybe it's not complete the draft, but it's quite easy to do it in the AutoCAD. So we will continue this one in the AutoCAD by open the AutoCAD again. Open the AutoCAD. After that, um, choose the new, but choose the template that given by the out template that we set in the last week. Okay, ISO 12824 set 450, academic year 2021 by this. Okay, this one is the property, so I will close this first. You can get it from here. All right, to show the property of each line you are selecting. All right, so do the projection. First of all, maybe I will find the position of this point first by the X line. So you type X line. Sorry, maybe we choose this one first. Escape and choose the projection line first. Okay, projection line type, and type a X line. All right. I change the keyboard first. Just a moment. After that, you choose point 0. You want to start it at the origin, 0, tab 0. Right? So you can see the point. So you try to zoom in or zoom out, okay, to close to the origin point. And we need the horizontal and vertical, but difficult to put it. Okay, or you can give by the angle, but for me I will restrict it by this switch on. Okay, restrict cursor orthogonally, and we can choose easily vertical or horizontal. So horizontal first and vertical, and enter to leave the commands. Okay, then I will do the vertical projection of the front view. Let you see the dimensions. It could be, for me, x is 3, so I put the 23 here, 23 here, and then this one 126. Okay, 126, and here is 75, and the middle of 126, okay, 176 is 63, and the diameter is 50. Okay, okay, you do the offset. Okay, offset here, or typing offset, and specify the distance. Okay, offset distance. Maybe I choose the um, 126 first. Okay, click offset from this line, and the next line could be 126. Okay, from the first line, like this. So somebody can't see it, it could be like this. So you can zoom out, no, sorry, zoom in to show more clear about distance. All right, so next, keep this command, and you can do the next offset by, maybe you find the middle of 126 is 63. Okay, at the middle, and from the left, for me, I'm 20 plus x, so plus 3 for me. Then I put the 23, and from the right side, 23 as well. So you can see this graph first. Next, I could do the horizontal ones. Is I will do from the bottom, and then to the next line is here is 30 millimeter. Okay, the length of cylindrical 30 millimeter, and from this 30, the next step up to be 25 here. 20 plus y, for me is y is 5, so 25, and finally at the top is will be maybe from this line is 45 plus 20 and plus 10. 4 multiply 10. 4 means you have the 4 places of this fillet, okay, of this radius. All right, 4 multiply. So from this edge is 45 plus 20 plus 10 is 75. So if I remember, I will offset here at the from the bottom of front view. The next step could be 30 for the cylindrical height. All right, and if you remember, the next step of the floor, maybe from this line is 20 plus y. For me, it's 20 plus 5, and that's the top of the front from this line, could be from this line, is the 40 plus 45 plus 20 plus 10, could be 75, like this. Okay, so you can see the shape of the fronts. All right, but a little bit more clear of the front view, we should put the detail of some cylindrical or holes here. So I will be put the, maybe here, offset from the center. The cylindrical is diameter 50, so for the both side could be 25 from left and 25 light size. It could be like this. All right. Next, before you go on to side view or the front view or the top view, excuse me, you can put a visible line to show some draft first. So choose visible line and line, and you draw maybe here by this, okay, along to show the front view. Enter to leave the commands, and could be put more. But you see that the wedge, actually the wedge are different between position and visible line. So, but now it's not display the different wedge, so you can on this one. All right, you can see some different and more clear. And here I put for side indigo below. All right, very good shape here. um I think front view is enough. Now we can go side view and do some detail, and some detail can project back to the front and the top as well. So next, do the size and the top by offset, this offset. Okay, so the distance between um, front and size and top, for me maybe I use the distance could be 30 to 50. So this time I will use the 40. Okay, you can follow me, or you can use your distance, okay, designed by you as well. 40 and 40 easily, simple. And I put the 40, the distance, click here and offset to 40 and enter. Sorry, offset again, sorry, so 40, and then offset here and click, not enter, just left click. This way as well, horizontal, click and 40. Okay, you can see the gap between front and side and top. All right, so I decided to do in the maybe top view first, top view. So I will offset this to show the thickness of the top view, so we can see this. See that here 35, okay, 35, and then plus the other 35, but we can offset each 37.5, excuse me, 37.5, okay, in the AutoCAD by changing this one 37.5. Okay, something wrong. Oh, I see. Undo first, maybe. Okay, so I have to offset the 40 again. Do not forget to save, and then from here above, go above 37.5 at the center, and plus more from this 37.5. Okay, after that let you put some detail first. Visible line already, and then give the visible line on the top view. Enter. Okay, top view is already now. Okay, we may put the circle now, or we go to the side view first. At the side view, maybe you can project um, so choose the projection line, and we do the 45 line here, and command line, and this intersects between top and sides. Okay, this cross, and then you click, and then off this. Okay, to show 45. um, is we may use the about 150 is okay. Scan over, and then tap 45 degree. Yes, like this. So you may see that we can project the thickness from the top to the size. You see offset, and then do not give by distance, but please use through. Get through here, or type T. Okay, means through, and enter. When you use through for the offset, you can do it like this. Click if you want to do the offset from the vertical line by this line. You click, and you can choose the point that they are recommending. You can't see the green point, you can open. It's on here. All right, so here for this point is mean the center of this. Okay, project to this, and gonna be down there to the side view by this, and you can continue. Click maybe from this to this one. You can project the thickness of the top view to the size, and click. Okay, you can see how the side view could be. And then before we go to the next step, maybe I choose to, maybe we create a circle first. For example, you choose visible line, and I will do this circle, diameter 34. Circle choose by diameter 34. Alright, so we can project this one to the front view by offset, and use through again, T type, or now is we are on through. It's okay, just enter, and then you copy maybe from the center. After that, you choose this cross point of maybe this circumference of the circle. So now you can project the diameter of this circle to the front view already. You can see. Alright. By this, we can put the dash line to the front view. Dash line. Choose dash line first. Type command here, line, and then could be from here. Enter this point, and enter. Okay, we can adjust the scale of dash line again after that. And the circle of 50, you can see on the top, show by dash line as well. So you can start from the center, and then to here. By this cross is okay, or you put the number 50. It look like this. All right. by this, maybe we will project this circle to the side view. We change the dash line scale a little bit by choosing the property here. See that? You choose this dash line here now, and then you can change the scale. The normal is 1, maybe we downscale to be 2.5. Alright, maybe more small, maybe 0.3, not 2. 0.3 is better. Okay, better. So you see, you can project this circle to the side view by doing offset again, offset and through, enter, and offset from this line to here, this line to here as well, and I will do this circle too by offset to this and this and this. So you see, two circles gonna be to be in the side view, so they're from horizontal and will be in the vertical by offset and choose the cross. This one for the smaller circle. Okay, please make sure the way of that, and this line, this cross and this cross. Alright, let's look like this. So let me choose the visible on the side view. Choose visible line. Okay, after that just click to make a line. This could be this. Okay, and enter, and cylindrical for 50, this line and down there here, and until here. You see the way, and here. Alright, after that, the dash line of this whole dash line, yes, by this line, and the dash line of this plane you can't see on the side, so you show it by dash, enter. Alright, okay, now we may have the other is offset radius, and this circle could be, can use the offset from this line to this center is 45, okay, and diameter 24, and offset this one are 10. So all we can see on the front, on the side view, excuse me, and offset 45 to finding the center from this line to here, 45, yes. Okay, and then choose visible to draw circle, diameter 24, yes, by the center 24. All right, and you can do the offset to project this circle to front and top by through, type T and enter, from this center to be here, this center to be here. Okay, it's go go to the front view already, and we may go to the top by this center to this way, this center to this point. After that, you see the way here, cross here. So we're gonna offset from the other line horizontal, offset here to make the line from this cross, and this one by this cross. Okay, so it's already in the front view, top view, excuse me. Okay, so we put the dash line on the front and top of this circle line. You see the projection, and you can put here, enter. Alright, or you can make the use command or copy. When you see that all details are the same, by copy with this line, right click and choose the base point here, copy to top view, maybe from this line to this here. It's difficult to see. Maybe different points recommend now. So maybe draw the line first. This one is okay. Draw the lines better. Please focus on this line. Alright. So that we may see the front, side, and top views. So the dash line we cannot see from this view. When the projection line, many portions appear. So if you turn off the lamp of projection line, you can see more clear on the dash line. You see that? But the dash line now is not good in scale. So we're gonna adjust the dash line. Okay, adjust the dash line. Maybe from when you choose, for example, this one, you can adjust this line type scale here. So we have 4 of them. Maybe we choose, or by press shift on your keyboard and then choose, shift and then choose. Okay, 4 lines chooses. Okay, after that, change the line scale 0.5 first. It's not so good, it's quite loud. So change to be 0.2. Yeah, good. It could be more than 3 dash. Okay, the minimum is 3 dash, so now it's 4. So if you choose the 0.1, it's too small. I think we cannot clearly see when we print out the hard copy. It's too like this. Okay, this one as well, you can choose by crop this and press shift and choose another crop here. Line scale should be the same, 0.2. Alright, And for this line scale, this and shift, choose the other ones, choose the other ones, choose the last one. For this type of line scale, we change here to 0.5 or 0.5 first. It's quite loud. 0.2. Maybe it's okay. Alright. And in this way, 0.2. Okay, look good. Yes. And then the I think something wrong here. Let I check by this. Something wrong. Maybe from this projection. I check by measure distance here to the center first. 37.5 is okay. Distance 40. Okay, it's not good. Okay, we change by doing offset using 37.5 from the center. Okay, it's like there. So how to do this? First, maybe you trim. Okay, to reduce the range. Like this, and erase this one or move this line. Could be here. Okay, and maybe I delete this, and we are finding the new cross here to the side view. So offset and through. Where is the new cross? Here. Okay, down there, check here. Okay, so we can do a new line. Trim and cut the line. Then move this line more close to the collected position by this. Okay, good. Okay, let's check your model. So after that, turn off. Let you turn off the lamp or projection line again. We're gonna do the fillet. Okay, fillet. Here we can choose the fillet chamfer or brain curve. Now we do the fillet. You press the fillet and wait for choosing the type of information. Maybe we're gonna use the radius, so you type R, enter, and choose the radius you want is 10, like this. After that, select first object by this edge, first and second. Okay, finish. And go to the next by choosing the fillet again. Now the default is R10. I hope choose the first and second. Okay, now finish. Fillet. Alright. After that, diameter line. Okay, center line. Sorry, center line. So we choose the line type center first. Do not forget to choose the center line type first or layer first. After that, you go to annotate and then center mark. Okay, center mark. Choose this one for the group of this circle. Okay, this center mark. Choose the biggest one, and this circle, and this curve. Okay, this curve. All right. After that, for the third dimension of the whole, it could be here. We choose this and this. All right. Press here again. This and this. So you got it. Do it for all. Good. Center line by this. Okay. You can change the scale as well. If you don't like this, maybe 2 now to just the center, the short dash at the center. But actually you can choose one to show by this, or this way is quite small, so not so good. Maybe this way is better, I think. 0.7. All right, 0.7. Okay. The last one. Maybe the center line is finished, right? The last ones, we can adjust the length of center line. You know that the radius, this way is no curve, right? It's no, just only 1/4 of circumference. So this center line, this center line, and this center line should be shorter than this. So we can click at the center mark, so you can see you can reduce the length. Sorry, maybe click here and you can reduce the length, or maybe choose A5. It's look like this. Reduce the length. Maybe can I try this? Maybe just it look like that. You can try. Here it's 5. Here is 2. Any number you can do it by just shortening the length of center line. Maybe I can do it more. So 5, maybe 2 is okay. Okay, it look better this way as well. This one is 8. Sorry. Let me undo. Okay. I'm not sure. Okay, do this way first. 2. This way is 2. Alright, and reduce to be 2. And same as the left side. You can decide by yourselves, okay, for shortening this center line. So it could be the center line of radius like this. Okay, so now finish the orthographics. Okay, finish the orthographics of this first clip video. The next clip video we're gonna put the dimension. Okay, dimension and section. See you next clip video.